Greetings, friends. Ever pondered about the fascinating journey that life is? It's a spectrum of shades, filled with challenges and opportunities to learn. As we advance forward, we often find ourselves navigating through a maze of unique situations. Attaining success in life is an unparalleled voyage. It doesn't matter how grand or modest our destination is. What truly matters is how we can reach the heights of those destinations through our means. In the pursuit of our goals, we should not walk alone but accompany each other. Facing struggles becomes feasible when we have faith in mutual support and camaraderie. If you think there's only one path to success, it's a misconception. There can be countless routes to success and everyone has their unique illustration. Hence, you should muster courage by looking at someone's source of inspiration. Sometimes in life, we have to face failures. But it's not a testament to our incapability. Instead, it's another opportunity to become stronger. Never give up, never back down. With your hard work and dedication, you can overcome any difficulty. So friends, we need to stride towards our goals, move forward with mutual support, and need everyone's companionship because together we can build a strong society. Become an example in everyone and make a resolution to move forward. Best wishes to all. Thank you.